Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making honey soya wings. So we're going to start by brining our chicken, and this brine consists of sugar, water, spices, and salt. I like to start with some of the water for the brine, and I usually chop up garlic and ginger and bring it to a boil so that the brine has the aroma or the garlic and ginger flavors. Brining your chicken first before baking makes it so juicy and tender, and it infuses lots of flavor. A lot of people don't like to brine their chicken because it's time consuming, because it is so much easier for you to just season your chicken and bake it straight away. But trust me, it makes a difference when you brine. After that, I'm just going to pour the brine into a bowl and add cold water to bring it up to the 6 cups that I need for this recipe. Then I'll be pouring my chicken. I've already cleaned this off camera. I'm going to be pouring the brine into the chicken. I forgot to show this on camera, but I usually add liquid smoke to my brine. And this is the brand that I use. If you want your meat, chicken, or fish to have a smoky taste or flavor, just use this. I also add it to my jollof rice. Cover it with plastic wrap and leave it in the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours. I left mine overnight, but a minimum of 4 hours works well. Then we'll bring it out from the fridge, take it out from the brine solution, rinse it under cold water, and soak in ordinary water for about 15 minutes. I do this so that the excess salt from the brine will seep out from the chicken wings, so you don't come out with salty wings. Then we pat the chicken wings dry with paper towel to remove the excess moisture. After that, it's time to season the wings. So I'm going to be seasoning the wings with smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, Suya pepper, a bit of Knorr powder, oil, baking powder, and chili pepper. As always, the full list of ingredients will be in the description box below, so check it out. I like to let my chicken marinate for about 1 to 3 hours in the spices before I bake them. After marinating, I'll be baking them in the oven for about 50 minutes. After 30 minutes of baking in the oven, I'm going to bring them out and flip them to the other side and put it in the oven for the last 20 minutes. It can't be honey suya without the honey glaze. So during the last 7 minutes of baking, I'm going to make the honey glaze for the suya wings. To make the glaze, melt some butter in a pan, add some soya pepper, and just fry for a bit. And then you add your honey and chili powder. At this point, you want to lower the heat and keep stirring the honey glaze so that it doesn't burn. What we just want to do here is reduce the glaze. You want to be able to pour the hot honey glaze over the hot wings so that it sticks beautifully. So take the chicken wings out of the oven and put them in a bowl. Then pour the glaze over it and just mix till everything is coated. Honey and suya isn't a bad combination after all. Please try it out and let me know how it goes. If you don't like honey, you can skip the honey glaze part, and as soon as the chicken is done, take it out from the oven and just sprinkle your suya pepper. And that's it, honey suya wings. These wings were amaze balls, so full of flavor, juicy and tender. Like I literally finished half of it in a couple of minutes. If you like this video, please share it amongst your friends and family. Hit the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram at Busola_cooks. Till next time, bye.